Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on December 18, 2025, about 4 days ago. This paper shows that translating large-scale human first-person videos into structured supervision can boost downstream robot control, reaching a 53.9% success rate in simpler ENV. The paper is titled, PhysBrain, Human Egocentric Data as a Bridge from Vision Language Models to Physical Intelligence. And, as we'll see later, the way they enforce evidence grounding and temporal consistency is a big part of why the transfer works. Figure 1 makes the core claim concrete, that training on human first-person supervision improves both egocentric reasoning and real robot control. This figure shows the full set of plots, including the radar charts and the bar results. On the left radar chart, multiple vision language models lag on planning under egocentric video. On the right, the PhysEnhanced versions expand the planning slice, and the bottom bars show higher, simpler ENV success, so better first-person planning transfers to manipulation. Figure 2 explains how raw first-person video gets turned into training signals that a model can reliably learn from. The full pipeline graphic lays out 4 stages, because the core trick is not just generating questions and answers, but validating them. The left section covers video chunking into short clips with scenario-aware segmentation. The middle section defines 7 question modes and uses multiple vision language model annotators. The right section shows a rule checker that rejects hallucinated hands or broken time order, so only verified supervision goes into the final dataset. Table 1 shows that the egocentric training recipe mainly pays off in planning, not just generic recognition. The table reports EgoThink scores across 6 skills, which are judged outputs for activity, forecasting, localization, objects, planning, and reasoning. The top block lists general vision language models, where GPT-4 has the best average. The bottom row is PhysBrain, and the planning column jumps to about 65, which beats all baselines. Table 2 shows that the PhysBrain initialization turns into higher end-to-end robot task success in simpler ENV. The full table compares methods across 4 manipulation tasks, plus an overall average, so it tests broad control rather than a single trick. The top block lists vision language action baselines, where video VLA is close but slightly lower on average. The lower block lists vision language model baselines, and the PhysBrain row reaches a 53.9 average, which is the best overall. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. First, large-scale human first-person video can be turned into reliable, structured supervision as long as you enforce evidence grounding and temporal consistency. Second, that egocentric backbone really transfers, boosting planning on EgoThink and reaching about 54% success in simpler ENV. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.